Thank you, Fat Joe. With me on the red carpet, I'll be interviewing some of our local celebrities right here at the Music Awards. With me, I'm with one of the best girls from the world. I'm interviewing one of the best well-known girl, Adele. Adele, how are you doing, darling?
I'm doing very good, darling. How are you?
I'm actually nervous. And nervous to be sitting next to you. You have been nominated for 5 times. 5 times nominees. How do you feel about that?
I feel so happy. I never knew that my my album would do this big, so thank you very much.
Oh, really? Okay. Actually, I'm nervous because the shoes. I love your shoes. I love your shoes.
Check them out.
Can the camera zoom? We have heard that you are taking a 5-year break. Why?
Yeah, I am taking a 5-year break, darling.
Why?
Hello?
Do you hear any wedding bells ringing?
Oh, yeah, you're going to hear 'em. Duh. And as you know, you're going to be the first one on my list, so...
Oh, are we invited?
Yeah, you are, darling.
Do you hear that? Do you hear that? I'm invited. Crossing back to you, Fat Joe. I'm actually happy. Crossing back to you.